Lamphang ka ying dorbar tauan ka jalao Thomas E. Sangma, ula ong bagajing persyang kilaya syakman, ban penstet ikijing trekam, hakabala Bthah ru iki kontraktor, bakin trek lem syong tan, kenang ban pyndep no iki bynta ba shapoh jong ka ying dorbar tauan bathymmai. Kajing shnai iki bynta jong ki kamra ki ba shapoh kelas dang, ngilakin tu iki bakin trek lem syong tan, ngamut bakajing pentre yakakam kadai banyak syat-syat, bat ban persyang ban pyndep no kloy kat bala ya ki bynta ba shapoh ulaong habakran sakilap thai kubor hakaprat rik nailur. Henry Lamphang ulaong bagi don kam ban le AA halur ki kattu kat ni ki bynta ki bodan kam ki bakenthop ya ki kor pensawa kajing penbiang pahara bakajing ring wire audio visual na luar ki wei. Kajing pendat ya ki kor CCTV kamera bat ki weipat kila jinga daru ki dong ki bakong san bha ki baha ban shimkya. Kini ki kam kilak ban lam syaka jing syempor ban pyndep ula ban ram.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Yes, the interiors work has begun, and we have also are pushing them to do it on a very how would I say, 3 shifts non-stop working. I mean, the work should be on a 3-shift mode, and try to finish the interior works as early as possible. But having said that, there are again so many elements that we have to take care of. There are acoustics, there are security, audio-visual wiring needs to be done, the CCTV cameras, and so many issues are there. So it will take some time.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.